You know what's going on, because if you're only in your own surrounding at your laptop, you miss a lot. Yeah, I'm Ralph Venrooij. I am a breeding director at KWPN Studboek. We don't get funded by the government, so everything we do in our organization is paid by the breeders, so we do it also for the breeders. For the filly, we start also with the foal selection, then they grow, we do a mare selection. The breeders get informed about the conformation, about free jumping, also about the correct. From there on, they can go to a different selection, so we get a difference between our mare population. That's really valuable for a breeder to decide how to use the mare, but also for buyers. When they are looking for a mare, they can see the total package from the dam line. You should be, as a breeder, you should be at an event. Either is it a mare inspection, a sports competition, or a stallion show. Only when you, as a breeder, are at those places, you get the right information. And from that you get feedback from the other breeders, because you are there both, and you can learn not only from the horse you see, but also from the other breeders. And that's a little bit the dynamic that brings our studbook a lot of power to walk forward, to make a step forward. Start with your mare. It's the most important horse for a breeder, and look around. Go and visit shows also on the continent, that you know what's going on. Because if you're only in your own surrounding at your laptop, you miss a lot. Well, the linear profiling is already a long time into the KWPN system. At that moment, you can select on different traits, and from that point you get the best information, but you get it from the total population. A breeder also knows that, so he can compare his mare to the population, but also see where is where can we make the biggest progress in the next generation again. You see that I think really in the developing the type of the KWPN horse. If you compare it now for 20 years ago, it's a total different horse. But that's always what happens with selection, and you should look what's the horizon, where should we go, and that's the way you should start selecting. So don't look back, but you have to look where you have to go to.